people, so this is going to be a slightly different sort of video because I just need to say that here this is my little the love of my life here. But for all the parents out there, we have to just know that beyond a point, like a small child also, even if see today my little son, he he's 7 years old, and honestly, normally boys have their developmental milestones late. Of course, once they are 7, we are like it's not like babies, because among babies it's seen that baby girls become independent far faster than baby boys. But this young man had a bath today on his own, and we have this little yes. And there we have that baby rabbit, and he cleaned the baby rabbit cage also. He was just because keeping a pet is a responsibility, right? So, and of course, cleaning the cage involved just removing, just putting a fresh paper inside, newspaper. But I think it's important because the child will learn that with anything comes responsibility, and once a person learns responsibility, they learn a lot. So really, people, it's an important tip for so many young parents out there, that however small your child, give them some level of responsibility, and when they do it on their own, it's a different sort of feeling. So Ayush, Mama is so proud of you, and yes, that this we'll keep for our next video. So on that note, thanks for, see, he wants to read a book now. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe
and dislike.